What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 represents the evolution of manufacturing, where digital technologies redefine production processes. It marks a shift from traditional automation to connected, data-driven solutions. In electromechanics, this means smarter operations, where machines learn and adapt. Let's dive into the core technologies shaping this era. AI brings intelligent decision-making capabilities, analyzing complex data, optimizing processes, and predicting outcomes. IoT, or the Internet of Things, connects devices, enabling real-time communication between machinery, sensors, and control systems. Big data collects and processes vast amounts of information, generating valuable insights to drive strategic improvements. How does this all work in practice? Take predictive maintenance, for example. AI analyzes sensor data from machines, identifying potential issues before they cause breakdowns. This reduces downtime and cuts maintenance costs. Smart grids leverage AI to balance energy loads, improving energy efficiency by up to 20%. Meanwhile, automation is taking over repetitive tasks, freeing up technicians to focus on more critical challenges. Companies implementing Industry 4.0 technologies have reported a 30% decrease in downtime, faster production cycles, and significant cost savings. Picture a factory floor where workers review live metrics on tablets. Every data point is generated by AI analysis, guiding better decisions on the spot. This real-time feedback loop enhances both operational efficiency and overall safety. For engineers and technicians, Industry 4.0 offers transformative tools. Diagnostic capabilities are improved with AI detecting issues that were once hard to identify. Problem-solving speeds up thanks to automated insights and solutions. Plus, remote monitoring allows for real-time oversight, providing flexibility and quick intervention when needed. As you can see, Industry 4.0 revolutionizes how we manage electromechanical systems, bringing smarter operations, predictive insights, and real-time connectivity. In our next video, we'll explore AI's specific role in predictive maintenance, showing how it helps industries prevent breakdowns and optimize processes.